Hi everyone, I'm Slavic with iDrinkCoffee.com, and it's Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend once again. This time of year we offer the very best deals on espresso and coffee equipment, everything to do with coffee. It's a great time to buy equipment for yourself or to buy it as a gift for the holidays. As is our tradition, we're also offering a bonus package, a Barista kit with the purchase of select machines. Now these are included with all semi-automatic espresso machines except Breville. It also doesn't include super automatic machines from Miele and from Jura. With that, we do have a small gift, but it's a little bit different, and I'll explain that in a moment. Breville has their own kit during this giveaway, which if you purchase a Breville machine, you sign up for, and they will send it to you directly. But all other traditional machines are included. This year, we've prepared 3 different tiers of Barista kits. First tier is the $1,000 tier, and these are machines that cost between $1,000 and $2,000. Now that includes machine, or we also have combination deals, so if your combo is in that range, you will get tier 1. That includes machines like the Profitec Go, the Rancilio Silvia, machines like the Bellezza Bologna, Inizio, and Francesca, and any machines in that $1,000 to $2,000 price range. The Tier 1 contains 4 really fantastic items to get you started. The first item is a Planetary Designs 64-ounce Airscape. This is a coffee container that basically pulls out the air and keeps your coffee fresh for longer. It's a black mat and it's got the Escarpment logo etched inside. I think it looks really fantastic. It's a value of about $45 and you get that with the purchase of the machine. And of course, for your coffee container, we're including a bag of our Deterra Farms Sweet Collection. This is one of our most popular coffees. It's very well received, does well as both espresso and drip coffee. You can put that straight into your container to keep it nice and fresh. Also included are 2 frothing pitchers, and these are a really nice quality, a thick gauge steel, feels solid in your hand, and it really does a nice job. So you have a 12-ounce size for a smaller drink, and we also include the 20-ounce size if you want to make 2 drinks or a larger latte or something like that. That's included in the Tier 1 kit. Now let's move on to Tier 2. Tier 2 are machines and combos that are between $2,000 and $3,500. This tier includes machines like the one I have in front of me, this beautiful Profitec Pro 500 with concrete, but it includes also machines like the ECM Mechanica Slim, the Mechanica Max, Bizzera Aria, products in that $2,000 to $3,500 range. In addition to everything that you get in Tier 1, we also include a Whitebird KC200 scale. This is a fantastic low-profile scale for espresso. You see it fits really nicely on a drip tray. I can put my cup on top of this. It really is very useful and it's very well reviewed, and that's a value of $70. And our highest tier, Tier 3, this is for machines that are more than $3,500. So those will be machines like the Sanremo Cube, ECM Synchronica, Sanremo U, La Marzocco Micra, La Marzocco Mini, etc. With that, you get the best package, and in addition to all of the items in Tier 2, so that's the Airscape, the coffee, the 2 pitchers, and the scale, but we're also including a Musa precision tamper. A Musa tamper has a 58.4 millimeter precision base, got a nice sharp edge, and a beautiful wooden handle. The values of these tampers are $100 or higher. It really depends on the wood grain. In my hand here, I have a Athena tamper, so that's the shape, and that's in olive wood. However, for the Barista kit, we will give you a random shape and a random wood. We cannot accommodate requests, it's just going to be random. That's the Athena here in olive. I also have another tamper to give you another example. This is the Hera shape or the Hera shape, and that's in Paduac wood. Finally, I just want to say that the Tier 3 is capped at 75 kits. So once we run out of stock, even machines over $3,500 will get the Tier 2 kit. So if you want that tamper, which is a great value, buy early because they will sell out quite quickly. Finally, I want to add one additional tier, and this is for people who buy super automatic machines. We haven't forgot about you. If you purchase a super automatic machine from Miele or from Jura, we will include the Escarpment Airscape container and a free bag of coffee, which is a value of over $60. This is a great time of year to save on coffee and espresso gear. We have our best prices of the year, lots of really great sales. In addition to all the great savings and sales that we have, we're giving away these Barista kits. It's a lot of extra value, and it's all really useful stuff. The pitchers, of course, the canister, the scales, these are all things that you're going to use, and they really add a lot of value. Our 2023 Black Friday Cyber Monday sales event runs from Thursday, November 23rd until Tuesday, November 28th, and the kits are while supplies last. We hope you take advantage of these deals. We've worked really hard to bring them to you. If you have any questions, as always, please contact us. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.